It was billed as an affordability measure, allowing Ontario drivers to pick and choose which insurance benefits they actually want. Starting in July of 2026, insurance companies will have to pay for medical and rehabilitation if you get into an accident, but everything else is up to you to decide.
So this is probably the biggest change we've seen in the auto insurance system in at least a decade, maybe a bit longer.
Insurance advocates say the changes will only apply if you're switching or starting a new policy. Drivers will be offered a list of items that they'll have to opt into if they want the protection. That includes covering income for up to 2 years, caregiver and housekeeping benefits, benefits for non-earners or dependents, and death benefits and funeral expenses.
It is significant. I think the big change here is that we've enjoyed all these benefits inside of our insurance policies up until today. So we already have this in our system now. When you calculate all of it together, for the average person, again, while it can vary, you're probably looking in the range of in or around maybe $100 per person per year. So it's not a significant savings in the grand scheme of things for what you're getting, but it's more about that if you run into those situations, the cost could be significant for your loved ones.
At Queen's Park, critics say the government's claims of affordability actually remove protections for drivers and their families.
If it's too expensive, give away your benefits. You're never going to have an accident. Don't worry. This will bring the rates down by a tiny amount. Wait a year, wait 2 years. They're going to be paying the same amount that they were paying this very day, but with half of the coverage.
The government has said the point is to give drivers the chance to lower their premiums with more flexible insurance coverage. But advocates say you're better off with the entire suite of measures.
These decisions you're making are going to necessarily be things that you draw upon when you least expect it but need it the most. And really what it comes down to is making sure that if you are happy with your insurance policy today, there is no need to change your policy as of July 1st.
At Queen's Park, Colin D'Mello, Global News.